everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a mobile video on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, at the menu you can see this is the mobile video menu, this one, so you just click on it. Okay, please waiting. And after this, in here you can see many template for the mobile video. You can choose everything you like. Maybe this one, I wanna use this one, so you just click on it. Okay, please waiting. And after this, in this project you can adjust the photo, so you can click on the photo, and then in here you can click on replies, and in here you can add the photo or the video that you want to add. Maybe this one, oh sorry, maybe this one, so you just click on it. Okay, and you can play now in here and finish. So that how and after this you can export the video in here and click on download. Click download and finish. So that how to make a mobile video on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.